Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you quick basic tutorial about animation tool called Vyond or Vyond. We will go through some pros and cons, we will compare all the pricing plans, and of course I'll show you some basics how to work in Vyond, which is really great app. Well, Vyond is the online animation software. Allows users to create professional animated videos for marketing, e-learning, training, and other industries. Users can create dynamic videos for any audience through this software. Vyond gives users whiteboard animations and modern casual settings to address their employees around the world. Users can create animated GIFs and MP4s in just a click. One can create his or her own templates or use from the ones present in the software. Users can also add graphs, dynamic charts to their animations to cumulate with the rest of the world. The scalability offered by the software allows an individual to create content at high speed. Besides the above, the human resource department in a company can improve collaborations and eliminate communication gaps through elaborate video content. Users can begin with the setup within minutes and get their message across successfully. Lastly, from sales enablement to compliance, users can make videos that fit their business needs and reach business objectives without fail. They can use customizable templates from the content library and create desirable content within a few seconds. That's what the Vyond pretty much about, and as you can see in their website, it's very easy to read. Everything is set, and you can they are not basically hiding any type of informations. Even pricing is straight up ahead, and those are the pricing plans. We have essential one, premium, professional, and enterprise. Obviously it varies for basically the bucket of features you are getting. You can choose to pay monthly or annually, which is per single user plan. So if we want to jump in straight into Vyond, at the moment they are providing 14 days free trial. So that's what I wanted to show you. And also I wanted to show you what you can do in your free trial when you are basically subscribed and you want to try it for yourself. For example, I show that in Render Forest and Powtoon as well, where you are basically affected by the watermarks in the video you are creating. So let's start with creating of a video, which is the easiest part. You can see on top of the right corner, you can create a video or create a character or browse templates library. If you're not yet decided which one you are going to pick, you can choose the templates, you can upload or buy more of them into your videos. But first of all, we want to create a video. You have to select a style to get started. Contemporary, business-friendly, or whiteboard animation. What is it recommended for? Contemporary, as you can see, branded videos, animated infographics, promotional videos, or demos. Business-friendly, scenario-based training, company culture videos, announcements, explainer videos, or whiteboard animation, which is for tutorials, micro-learning videos, and complex ideas. For my video, as I'm doing right now, I should go with whiteboard animation. But for most of you, first two would be I would say the most favorite ones to go. So we will go with business friendly, and we click on select style. We need to give a Vyond a little bit of time, so you can see what's going on. Straight away, we have a template here, and basically this is where it's all, well, not the same, but pretty much familiar with everyone else or every single other video creator. On the left side, you can upload anything you want. It's basically easy. You just click there and add the thing that you want to add. Then, as you can see, we have a photo of this guy. If you want to get rid of it, we just press delete and he disappears. And all of them are set the same. As you can see, there are actions, there are characters that we are using at the moment, and a couple of other things that we can tweak around. As you can see, there's this basket that he's sitting behind. We can easily get rid of it. It's not a problem. Well, then we have characters going by it looks like something of a work deployment, for example sports. So you see we have everyone here in the suits, but we can easily add basketball player. You can scale him down to be pretty much the same size as these guys, like this. And it's very easy to just add people and create these really catchy presentations. We can also create a new character. That's not a problem. Then we have props. For example, going also like this, we can see that they are basically going to get hit by a really big truck. And we want to bring it to the front, so it's coming from the front, from the bottom. And if this guy wants to be there, also we have to go to the order and bring it to the front. Also, this one is overlapping. Oh, maybe this was better to just move it backwards, and this move backwards as well. So you see how we can easily do things here. We have a chart, for example, pie chart, line chart, counter chart. For anything you like, we can add a blank scene with a pie chart graph. And in here, we can go to chart settings. You can go like this, or chart data. This should be equal. You can change we can change everything in here. Data 1, data 2, data 3. Can add new values. We can add names and all the other things. Then obviously we have text, and we can implement an audio, but for the sake of this video I won't be playing any tunes. Then we can replace it or choose a background. At the moment there's none, but we can add the location. For example, where is this pie chart? Yeah, he is chilling in the sand beach, pretending to be a beach ball. Obviously, still chart settings, text settings, sky, we can go with something more darker, so it's not that nice of a day. It's a very easy way, very easy way. And in these scene settings, you can choose the duration, but I would probably just go with this stuff and this basically marking, so you can easily cut out the scenes without any problem. When we're done, we'll just press save. We see video is safe. We can share it or download it. When we hit the download, we have to upgrade, obviously. So that's a little of a problem. And as you can see, for individual access or link, you just have to upgrade it, so you'll be able to do the videos. Actually, it's not that expensive, to be honest, and it's really a great tool. This free video or free software or a taste of this product is just to show you if it's the right product for you, and then you decide if you want to buy them or not. There are no watermarks in this free version. They are unlocking everything for you, so then you have 100% of an idea if this is the one what you need. If you'll have more questions about Vyond, I'm going to create more videos about it, because it's a really interesting product, and so far the best that I come around. So thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next one. Have a great day.